Welcome to our presentation on Forex, brought to you by Bilal Sofdar from STC Market Bull. Today, we'll explore the history and evolution of Forex, and invite you to follow our comprehensive 2-month professional course. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global marketplace for currency trading. Unlike centralized exchanges, Forex is traded over the counter, making it the most liquid market with a staggering daily volume of $7.5 trillion. The Forex market is a diverse ecosystem with participants ranging from central banks and governments to commercial banks, hedge funds, and retail traders. Each plays a crucial role in the dynamics of currency trading. Currency exchange has a rich history, starting with the barter system. Coins emerged in 600 BC, followed by paper money in China during the Tang dynasty, and the gold standard in the 19th century. The gold standard system backed currencies with gold, providing stability. Post-World War I, the Bretton Woods Agreement established a new monetary order, pegging currencies to the USD, leading to the creation of the IMF and World Bank. After 1971, currencies began to float freely, driven by supply and demand. This increased volatility and trading opportunities. The evolution of Forex trading saw a shift from large institutions to retail access, thanks to the internet and platforms like MT4 MT5. Forex trading offers high liquidity and a 24-hour market, with leverage amplifying profit potential. It requires minimal starting capital and offers diverse trading opportunities. The market structure is decentralized, with interbank markets and retail brokers playing key roles. Currency prices are influenced by economic indicators, interest rates, political stability, and market sentiment. Central banks, like the US Federal Reserve, set interest rates and intervene in currency markets to maintain stability. Forex trading instruments include the spot market, forwards, futures, options, and CFDs. Traders vary from scalpers seeking quick profits to position traders focusing on long-term investments. Forex stands out with its size, lower transaction costs, and 24/5 availability compared to stock and crypto markets. As we conclude, remember that mastering Forex takes time and discipline. Start smart and stay consistent. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Forex. We hope you found it insightful and look forward to seeing you in our professional course at STC Market Bull.